Hello children, in this video we are going to see the solution of this numerical. This is of chapter machine and topic is pulley. See the question. What was the question? Question number 11. You are given 4 pulleys and 3 strings. Draw a neat and level diagram to use them so as to obtain a maximum mechanical advantage equal to 8. Okay, first of all try to understand up to this point what is given. Number of strings are given, there are 3 strings. Number of pulleys is given, that is n equals to 4, and MA is given, mechanical advantage 8 is given. In your diagram, mark the directions of the load L, direction of effort E, and direction of the tension in each strand. What assumptions have you made to obtain the required mechanical advantage? See children, if we are having single cable, then what we need to do, we will use all the pulleys in vertical direction and all are connected with the single pulley, as I have explained you in previous questions. But here in this question, if 3 strings are there, then what is the arrangement? Try to understand. As I am having 3 string and 4 pulleys, so what I will do, I will fix one pulley. So you can see that this pulley number D, I have named it as D, it is fixed with the rigid support. This is the axle, so it is hanged from here, it is not going to move. Okay, and rest 3 pulleys, these are their setting is as movable pulley. So here is the hook, first string attached here, it took round from here and it is connected with the axle of the pulley B. Second string again attached with the rigid support, this hook is attached, and then second string came here, take a round, then here it is attached with the third pulley axle, then third string came here, took a round from here, and this string take a round to the last pulley also, and here is the effort. When we will apply effort here, I am going to pull it, then what will happen? See the movement of the body, it will pull up, it will affect this axle, so it will lift it up. Then if it will lift it, this string will be pulled, then when this string will pull, this is the pulley, movable pulley, these all are movable pulley, so this axle will be lifted, and when this axle will lift, then this string will come up, and when there is tension force, here is equal tension force because it is fixed here, so the load will lift up. So this is the arrangement. You have to draw this diagram and see the direction. As we know that here load direction is in downward direction, effort is also in downward direction. So naturally when load is working in downward direction, then tension force always work in opposite direction. If it is of 100 kg, then both side equal weight will divide it, that is 50-50. That's why I written T1. It means load is just double of T1, or T1 is just half of load. Now this T1 is divided into 2 equal parts, that is T2, means both sides tension force is equal. This T2 is divided into 2 equal parts, T3, and this T3 is equal to the effort which we will apply in downward direction. So this is a diagram, and what are the assumption? There is no friction in the pulley bearing, and the pulleys and the string are massless. As already we have explained in every question, there is not any ideal machine because not any pulley is massless, it is frictionless. So here our answer is over. I hope it will helpful for you. Thank you everyone.